What's going on, busybodies? Maricris here again with another 5-minute workout for you. Full body, I'm gonna take care of everything. 1 minute on, 15 seconds off. And we're gonna start with core. We're gonna come down to the mat. We got toe touches, timer going on. It's an official start, okay? Toe touches, laying on the mat. Let's get our legs straight. I'm really tight, so I'm gonna do my best to keep them straight. Here, lift up. Make sure you don't use your head. Lift up, aiming for those toes. Exhale every time you come up. Get those shoulders off the ground. I always like to start with core to keep everything activated so I know what I'm engaging. It's nice and warmed up. Already starting to burn. I'm gonna keep this smile on my face, keep this energy going for the both of us, because it's 5 minutes and we can do it. And time. All right, coming up, we got a sumo squat. Okay, we're gonna take it wide. I said sumo, so take it out here. Even when we come down, we're still maintaining that form of our knees in line, second and third toe. Okay, so dropping it straight down, get that 90, or not that 90, is that 180? Make it straight under there. Take it down and up. Be mindful, and if you have a mirror, watching to see, are your knees caving in? What's happening? Are they going super wide? It's a new sensation down here, quads, usual thing, but really getting into our adductors here. Feel it. Take it down and up. Same thing, pushing through those heels. Keep that pelvis tight, core tucked. Finish that movement all the way. And it burns. Everything opening up down there. We're starting here, right? Body weight. You can always progress it. If you already feel like you're ready, grab a weight. It's your workout. Do what you need to. And time. All right, moving on. We have modified tricep push-ups. So when I first started push-ups, I started on my knees, and the next progression for me was going to the tricep. So bringing those elbows in, and rather than starting in high plank, you gotta learn that form, build that strength. Take it down, arms directly under shoulders, elbows in, straight up and down. Normally it would be out here, right? But we're taking them in by our side. All the way down. Watch that you're not doing anything crazy with your butt tucked. You do it right, I promise it's gonna burn. It already does for me, but it definitely will after a minute if it doesn't already for you. Drive those hips straight down. Woo. Slow it down if you need to. All right reps are better than a bunch of bad reps. Always. Squeeze that core tighter to support you. And time. Okay. Keep it moving. We're gonna flip it over. Press those arms. I know your triceps are burning. We got single leg glute bridges. So feet planted, traditional glute bridges here. What we're doing is picking up, let's pick up that right leg first and push up. We're gonna do 30 seconds, one side. Great progression to the traditional glute bridge, because now you can really feel what leg is weaker, and that's why I like to mix in some single leg stuff. Make sure I stay as balanced as possible. Let me check our timer, make sure we're halfway. And switch. So you have a good instinct. That felt like a good burn. It's about time to switch. Push straight up to those heels. Squeeze everything at the top. Push with me. Let it burn. We're almost there. Woo. 15 seconds off. We got our final one. We got the cardio burst here. I wrote it out. We got high knees to do, okay? Whew. Stay light on those toes. I'm gonna use my hands as a marker here, right here, and go. 1 minute. Modification, just drive it up all the way, okay? If I'm going sideways here, make sure, it's like a park can sometimes people do. Try to get through it now. Strong, straight up. Feel it pulling from your lower abdominals. Everything engaged. Woo. You got it. Come on. I'm here with you, okay? I'm not just coaching you, I'm doing it. Push, push. Breathe through it. Remember, you can modify it, just keep moving. Walk it out if you have to. Gotta wait for the timer to go off. And time. Yes. Okay. All right, so clearly the stronger you get, the more work I have to do on my end to make sure I stay in shape with you and to give you more progressive workouts. So proud of you. It was 5 minutes. If you want to amp up that work, you got it in you, add another round, add a third round, do whatever you need to. Just remember, you, my busybody, got to remember this as you're working on your health and wellness journey. It's mindset, food, and move. You got to get the mindset that this is something for your body. You don't have to do this. You want to do it. It's something that you enjoy, or just know it's beneficial to you, and it's just going to help you live a happier, healthier life. And you don't have to hold yourself back from anything because you're in a happy, healthy state of mind and in good shape. All right. Next up on that, like I said, is food. Fuel your body to give you all the energy you need to do what you need to do, okay? Don't waste your workout. You put in that work in, keep pushing yourself forward. Create those small little habits that are gonna add up over time and change your palate without you even realizing. Don't go cold turkey if it's something that you can't do. Do what's right for you. And lastly, you gotta move. We took care of that here today. I'm so proud of you. I cannot wait to move with you again, and we're gonna get it soon again. Have a great freaking day.